the databases that allow push notifications. So just because I can't recall the type, I'm gonna answer that with I'm not sure. But actually, I think there's something called it's called Firebase or something like that, which is sorry. Firebase, maybe. I'm not quite sure. It's a Firebase. So I don't think it's not quite the same thing. It's not like I've never really used it. My impression is that it's not like a true database like this. Like you wouldn't want to use it to power your CRM system, for example. But it allows you to push notifications around. There may be simple kind of query things associated with it. I'm not totally sure. How does Rethink handle security? So how does Rethink handle security? So it allows, it supports a kind of SSH, SSL. I'm never sure what the proper terminology is, but if you were to get a cluster via Compose, for example, then you kind of get SSL certificates and all that kind of thing. You can set up database roles, like you can create users with have username and password, and this user can only read, this user can write, but only to these tables, and all that kind of thing. Very kind of granular security, just like I think like most databases. And the database themselves can be kind of secured, like I say, with SSL. We've got a few more questions here. How long did it take to create this Q&A? This took me about 2 days, not working full time on it, just a little bit of time. All the front end is just Bootstrap. I'm not a front end guy. I just use Bootstrap. How do you? I'm going to blow this one up a little bit. So how do you link up the different Rethink servers together? So again, I'm going to pop out with my live answer. But it is actually quite simple. You run a server. So the server that was running on my laptop for the demo, for the kind of showing you the admin, that's just you just type RethinkDB. Once it's installed, you just type RethinkDB into terminal and start up. If you want to add like a second service to the cluster, you just start up another one and you just kind of tell it where the first one is. So it tells it what its IP is, what its port is, and that kind of thing. And you have to specify a port. There's like a port for kind of database connections, and there's a port for like cluster connections. So you just say it's running up here on this IP, this port, and they just kind of sort it out themselves.
There's no like master and slave.
No, it's like master to master replication. I mean, I'm not 100% sure on all that kind of thing. That's not really my area, but I have tried it. I've got it set up and running locally, like a three server cluster, all running off my laptop, to be honest. And it just kind of all syncs up. And as you add new servers to the cluster, they'll all show up in the admin and all that kind of thing.
Are there any credentials needed for joining a server to a cluster? Or?
I think by default, no. If you just want to try it in the office kind of thing, you can just do that. But yeah, I think you can say you need to send credentials. I'm going to give up on answering in real time now. I'm just going to see what else we have. Okay, we don't have anything else. Does anybody want to just go old-fashioned, hand in the air, ask a question?
It's only a comment. Is there from the same team that of the RethinkDB is a framework called Horizon?
Horizon, yes.
Horizon, sorry.
So Horizon, I think. So this is like, I think the best way to describe this is like if anyone's used Node and used Express for Node to build any kind of app.
Or maybe it's Firebase from Google. It's like the same that Horizon from Google.
Right. So I would say this is kind of like Express, but for lets you like a framework for building these kind of apps. I've never actually used it because I was just trying to keep my examples nice and basic, but yeah, it's supposed to be really nice to use. So yeah, do we have any more questions?
Mongo, you have effectively as the primary node, and you have the client gets a list of everything it can connect to, and then it'll fail over between them. Presumably with how do you handle that resilience and redundancy?
So you have like a single entry point. So you have, this is my rethink cluster, if you like, and behind the cluster, I mean, again, I don't fully know how that works, but the way it appears to me is that it's like multiple servers that are kind of behind the load balancer kind of thing, and they do, like I say, you can have multiple shards, multiple replicas on different servers, and it is kind of the same thing where it is all sharded for resilience. So if one server goes down,
Mongo, you can run effectively the client on one of the servers, or you can run it on the back end of your web server, and effectively does the discovery and then connect to whichever the most appropriate one in the cluster.
Right, okay.
And if one winks out,
then
it's
it'll
sort of black hole doesn't carry on.
So I know that it uses, I think, it's called the raft consensus thing to decide, like, if one server dies, just to make sure that everything's okay. I'm not sure about like what you're talking about with Mongo. I'm not totally sure about that, to be honest. But I know it is designed so that if you have, say, 5 servers and one of them falls over, then it's not going to freak out. Okay. Thank you very much.
Big thanks to Matt for doing that stuff. Hope you all found it useful. You can take something away from it. Please feel free to stick around as we're drinking pizza. If any of you are looking for some career advice, you can speak to myself.